Auto Goods Out is a fully automated app that operates in the background and processes orders from Brightpearl, allocates stock and creates Goods Out notes. To set up the Auto Goods Out app, you first have to log into your account at appsunified.com or create one if you don't already have one. The application is located under Modules, Auto Goods Out, or you can click on the logo in the dashboard. When you first go to the app setup screen for the first time, you might see a message telling you to go to Brightpearl to give the app permission to access your Brightpearl account. You can find out more about this in one of our other videos. The setup screen starts with the Enable this module drop-down. Click on the drop-down, select Yes, and wait for the message to confirm the change. Now you can set up your first rule. Rules are like full filters, enabling the Auto Goods Out app to search for the orders that match selected criteria. The first drop-down is the channel which is populated with channels found within your Brightpearl account. Select the channel that you want this rule to process. Next we have the Order Status drop-down. Once again, select the order status that you would like this rule to process. Further down the screen we have two more settings: Map Shipping and Partial Fulfillment. Partial fulfillment is used to search for partially fulfilled orders. If No is selected, then only orders with a Goods Out note allocated to them will be processed. If you select Yes, the rule will also process orders that have some Goods Out notes allocated. Map Shipping allows you to enable our intelligent shipping algorithm. If it's set to the No state, then the order's original shipping method will be used. It can also mean that you might receive more errors because you might have some of the matching orders without shipping methods set up. If you switch on Map Shipping by selecting Yes, the Auto Goods Out app will scan order line items to find information about the shipping and will create Goods Out notes by looking at the settings on the Shipping Mapping tab. When you start the app for the first time, the Shipping Methods tab will be empty. The Auto Goods Out app will populate the shipping method found in Brightpearl and will ask you to assign the correct shipping method to it if you cannot find a match on the Shipping Mapping tab. Information about the new shipping entry will be sent by email and will appear on the Order Notes tab in Brightpearl. Every channel can have a different set of shipping mapping. Status on Success and on Failure are two option settings that will change the order status in Brightpearl based on the output from your Auto Goods Out app. Finally, under Warehouse Settings, you can create rules that will leave the order's warehouse as it is by selecting the inherent option. This way, the Auto Goods Out app will search only the stock within the warehouse set on the order. If you would like to create rules where the order's warehouse can change and the stock can be searched in other warehouses, simply switch the settings to Change To. You will see a list of your warehouses and the checkbox next to it. Select the warehouse that you want to use this rule by clicking on the checkbox next to the name. You can also set warehouse priorities. So for example, if you want the rules to look for the stock in your main warehouse first, and then try to allocate the stock from the second warehouse, then enter 1 for the main warehouse and 2 for the secondary. When you are happy with the settings, click on the Create Rule button. Your rule will now be saved and will appear in the Add New Rule section. The Auto Goods Out app will run automatically every 30 minutes, so there's nothing else you need to do. If you set up your rule with Map Shipping on, then for the first few hours or days you might receive lots of emails, as there will always be new shipping information found in Brightpearl orders, and you will have to come back to the Auto Goods Out app screen, select the Shipping Mapping tab and assign the shipping method to the new shipping information. Currently, the Auto Goods Out app will only create Goods Out notes when all the lines can be fulfilled, and the customer will be informed by email about any lines that cannot be shipped.